Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. If you are a beginner looking to start affiliate marketing, here are some steps to get started. Choose a niche. Decide on the topic or niche you want to promote as an affiliate. It could be anything from health and wellness to fashion or technology. Choose a niche you are interested in or have knowledge about. Choose affiliate products. Look for affiliate products related to your chosen niche. You can find them on affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Build a website. Build a website or blog related to your chosen niche. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to create a website easily. Create content. Create high-quality content related to your niche that attracts visitors to your website. You can create blog posts, videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. These programs provide you with unique affiliate links to promote their products. Promote affiliate products. Promote the affiliate products using your unique affiliate links. You can include these links in your content or create dedicated product reviews and comparisons. Track your performance. Monitor your performance using analytics tools to track the clicks, conversions, and revenue generated by your affiliate links. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and patience to see results. Keep learning and experimenting with different strategies to improve your performance.